friends! In this newsletter, we're going to be covering the Mantella, a truly amazing amphibian. At the National Amphibian Conservation Center, there's around 60 Mantellas, 2 exhibits, and multiple color variations. Let's get straight into the National Amphibian Conservation Center and learn about these truly amazing amphibians. Here at the National Amphibian Conservation Center, there are 7 variations of the Mantellas. This circular exhibit is by the main entrance. The golden Mantella is the most popular known Mantella. There's also only one blue-legged Mantella that likes to hide. In the first habitat of the 2 habitats, we have 5 different Mantellas. The first Mantella is the golden Mantella. The second Mantella is the splendid Mantella. The third Mantella is the Betsilio Mantella. And the fourth Mantella is the Benhard's Mantella. And the fifth Mantella is the blue-legged Mantella. The second habitat has 2 Mantellas. The green Mantella likes to sit on leaves and has multiple hiding places. The arboreal Mantellas have swollen, sticky fingertips that help them hang on. Mantellas are very small amphibians. They're about 1 to 2 inches long and weigh up to 2 ounces. Think about how much a handful of 57 paper clips would weigh. Males are smaller than the females that have more of an angular body. Mantellas spend most of their time on land. A group is called an army. Mantellas are diurnal frogs, which means they are primarily active in the day. The reason for this is so many predators can see and avoid them in the daytime. Most other frogs are nocturnal. Mantellas use aposematic coloration, which means bright or contrasting colors would indicate that they are poisonous to predators. The Mantellas get their toxicity from their diet. The alkaloid toxins allow them to secrete toxins through their skin. Their diet includes ants, termites, and fruit flies. In captivity, they are not toxic when not given food with toxins. They eat fruit flies dusted in vitamin powder and small crickets. Although the chytrid fungus is inside of Madagascar, it's not the major reason for the population decline. The major threat to the Mantella frogs is deforestation. There are claims that show only 10 to 20% of the original forest cover remains in Madagascar. In areas where humans are present, there is more pollution with contaminants that lead to less food variety for Mantellas. It reduces their toxicity. Habitat loss, resource exploitation, environmental contamination, and global climate change are all factors. And now here is a fun amphibian fact about the Mantella. The Mantella frogs exhibit buccal pumping. They don't have a diaphragm, and they breathe with their cheeks to intake oxygen. It moves in a rhythmic pattern, the expanding/contracting of the mouth powering the intake of oxygen. Thank you for coming with me on this adventure through the National Amphibian Conservation Center, where we learned about the Mantellas. Come back for the next newsletter to learn about another truly amazing amphibian. See you then!